Hello sir, welcome to my channel RX Sam. My name is Sam and I am pharmacist. Today we see the basic information of drug oricanazole. It is used in treatment of fungal infection. About oricanazole is used to treatment invasive aspergillosis and candidiasis and fungal infections caused by Pseudosporium and Fusarium species, which may occur in immunocompromised patients, including people undergoing allogenic bone marrow transplant, who have hematologic cancer or who undergo organ transplant. Indication: CNS fungal infection, disseminated infection in skin, infection in abdomen, kidney, bladder, wall wound, esophageal candidiasis. Definition or what is aspergillosis? Aspergillosis is the name given to a wide variety of diseases caused by fungal infection from species of Aspergillus. Aspergillosis occur in human, birds, and other animals. Candidiasis is a fungal infection due to any type of Candida, a type of yeast. Pseudosporium is a genus of fungi in the family Microscaceae. Immunodeficiency or immunocompromise is a state in which the immune system ability of fight infection, disease and cancer is compromised or entirely absent. Organ transplantation is a medical procedure in which an organ is removed from one body and placed in the body of a recipient to replace a damaged or missing organ. Doses: tablets or oral suspension should be taken at least 1 hour before or 1 hour following a meal. IV or intravenous for injection require reconstitution to 10 mg per ml and subsequent dilution to 5 mg per ml or less prior to administration as an infusion at maximum rate of 3 mg per kg per hour over 1 to 2 hours. Oricanazole IV must not be infused concomitantly with any blood product or short-term infusion of concentrated electrolytes. Contraindications: pregnant women, people who have hereditary intolerance for galactose. Side effect while taking this drug: visual disturbances, fever, rash, vomiting, respiratory disorders, peripheral edema, abdominal pain. Brand names which are available in market: Rextro, Vifan, Orage, Orfit, Origin, Oritech. Thanks for watching my videos. Hope you like it. Please share to your friend. Hit the bell icon button and subscribe my channel for my new upcoming videos. Thank you.